Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create VRChat group. So welcome to another new video. Let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be visit on VRChat. You can do it while you can search it in here VRChat, and you will get the option here vrchat.com. Just click over here and you will redirect to this page, and here you can just click on jump in now, or if you have already an account, then click on login. Once you click over here, it will open the dashboard, and here you can see their interface over that place. So here you will find out the group option next to the home button. So that much easy it is. Let's click over here, and here you can see we are allowed to join in a group invites, block groups, and own a group. So it's totally up to you how you are going to do it or not. So here, if you want to create a new group, then you need to be click on here, but you need to be understand that without, like, let's give you the option, without any VR panel you are not allowed to create a group. So you have to must be a VR for creating a new group. So when you will have this VR, then you can create a group, and then you will need to follow some process to create the group. The process is really simple. You can do it your way. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you found out this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.